Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials, how to use thread tools. Click new part and click start to the sketch, stop line. I will draw circle in it with diameter 10 and use extrude tools to convert into 3D. After it, I will select in the top face and we create circle again. And we set for diameter into 5, press enter, click finish sketch. Now use extrude tools to convert into. If you want to create thread in this object, you can select, like I will select in this bottom, and you can click this icon thread. After it, you can see we have a lot of options. You can set the type in it, like into ANSI, ISO, or the other option. The next for size, we set into 5, and the destination bold. For offset, I will set into 2. And if you're done, you can click OK. Now we already create thread into the object. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials, how to use thread tools. And if you have any question, you can comment below video.